How to use Clubhouse on PC. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Clubhouse on a PC. So how can you go about it? We all know that Clubhouse is a mobile phone application, and to use this, you have to try different tricks. And one way is by making use of an emulator known as BlueStacks. So in order for you to use Clubhouse, you can just install the BlueStack emulator by visiting the BlueStack website itself. So on your web browser, just go ahead and type BlueStacks. Okay, select it and then confirm if it's the website. Then if it's BlueStacks website, select the option, and then you'll be taken to the BlueStacks page where you can download the emulator. So after downloading the emulator, in BlueStacks page, you have an option for you to download the Clubhouse application, and then you can use it in there. Well, BlueStacks also have an emulator enabling you to be able to get the Clubhouse app and then use it. All right. And this is one way. Another thing you can try is by using the Club Deck, all right, by using the Club Deck website. So you can also download Club Deck, run the setup file, install it, open the Club Deck app on your PC, and then go ahead to log in into your account, that is your Clubhouse account. So you can just say Club Deck, right? And then you wait for answers to be provided by your account. Then you can see Club Deck is a free Clubhouse client. So you can just click on Club Deck and then download Club Deck. After downloading Club Deck, you will then be able to install it. After installing it, then log in with your Clubhouse account using your mobile phone number. Once logged in, you can join existing rooms or create your rooms just like you would on the mobile app. So it is very, very easy. So Club Deck offers additional features like better audio quality, real-time insights, and more control over your rooms, making it a great option for PC users. This is actually better than making use of an emulator, but it's left to you. So find out the option that is better and make use of it. So these are the two ways whereby you can use Clubhouse on a PC. Thank you for watching and have a good day.